everybody, good morning. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing well. I know I get followers from all over the world and different temperatures and different conditions out there, so hopefully everyone's doing well. Hope your families are doing well. It's good to see you joining me on a Thursday. As you know, I'd like to start off all of my live streams with our global roll call. I love to hear where you're from, so if you're joining us, please let me know the city, state, province, and country that you are joining us from. I have my chats available. I have my chat going here. As soon as somebody puts something in the chat, we'll see it pop up over my shoulder here. Really look forward to our discussion today. We've been having some great questions, a really good mix of people and abilities and levels.